I'm Morris Smith, and this is my new training platform, the BTC Training Meetup. Me and my team of experts will show you every step of the way so you can scale your business as an entrepreneur and get closer to financial freedom, all without a real estate license. I use my barbershop business to help fuel my dreams of getting into real estate. I did not know anything about real estate whatsoever. After receiving my real estate license, I realized that it took weeks and months to even close deals. There was a lot of work involved. So I realized as an entrepreneur, my pathway was real estate investing. So after investing and seeing profits from the many investors in the business, the flips, the cash flow, I decided I wanted to get on that side of the real estate business. So I built a real estate business and utilized my passive income as a way to help scale my business as well. And you too can do the same thing. After seeing profits that the investors were making off of deals as a real estate agent, I realized that I wanted to be on that side of real estate. It's all about financial freedom. I'm Morris Smith, entrepreneur, real estate agent, investor, and barber by trade. And this is my new training platform, the BTC Training Meetup.